Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your listings with Realtor.com, full guide step by step clearly. To start transferring your listings on Realtor.com, log into your Realtor.com account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard section. Locate the Listings tab on the left side of the screen. Click on the Listings tab to view your current listings. Select the listing you wish to transfer by clicking on it. On the Listing Details page, look for the Actions button. Click the Actions button to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select the Transfer Listing option. You will be directed to a new page prompting you for transfer details. Enter the required transfer information, including the recipient's email address. Make sure the email address is accurate to ensure a smooth transfer. Review the details you have entered for correctness. Once confirmed, click the Submit button to initiate the transfer process. You should see a confirmation message indicating the transfer has been initiated. The recipient will receive an email notification about the listing transfer. They will need to accept the transfer to complete the process. Once the recipient accepts, the listing will be moved to their account. Monitor your email for any updates regarding the status of the transfer. If needed, you can reach out to customer support for assistance with the transfer process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.